Hello children, welcome back to our session. Today we are going to study about a new solid shape, that is cylinder. See, look at this. This is the shape of a cylinder. This is an example of cylinder. This pen is also an example of cylinder. A cylinder has three faces. A cylinder has total three faces. Two flat faces and one curved face. These are the flat faces. This is flat face, another flat face is here, and the curved face is this. So total three faces are there. Two flat faces and one curved face. And it has two edges. It has two edges. Both the edges are curved. No flat or plain edge is there. Both the edges are curved. Clear? So, a cylinder has two flat faces and one curved face and two curved edges. So, when you draw a cylinder, you have to remember some points. These are the points you have to listen. A cylinder has one curved face. And the second point is it has two flat faces. Third point is it has two curved vertices. Sorry, curved edges. And the last point is a cylinder has no or zero vertices. So, a cylinder has one curved face. A cylinder has one curved face. It has two flat faces and it has two curved edges and no vertices. Okay? Now we are going to draw a cylinder. Draw a cylinder. Draw two straight lines. Both the lines must be parallel. And now join these lines in this way. Here also join these lines. Okay. Now it is a cylinder and mark this. Flat face, curved face and curved edges. I am going to write some questions. You must write the answer of these questions. Okay. These are the questions. A cylinder has curved face. A cylinder has vertices. A cylinder has edges, and it has faces, flat faces. So children, you all draw the cylinder in your notebook and mark this and write the answer of these questions. Okay.